In primetime news this evening, National Security Ministry orders audit of Department of Correctional Services in the wake of a damning Indicom report. Renewed calls for a review of prison conditions, and tourism again in the spotlight as hoteliers prepare to welcome guests.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on Noel Chambers being in custody for 40 years without trial and his death in prison?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines,